It's going to be called soda bottle bowling. We have 3 soda bottles that are empty. I put a little bit of water in them to make them heavier. You can add or subtract the amount of water to make it easier or harder. All right, this is Daniel. You ready, Daniel? Whoa. Okay, we move back some because Daniel's a little bigger. So you can move back or you can move forward to make it easier or harder. All right, you ready, Daniel? All right, roll it. Oh, got one. All right, Daniel, you ready? See if you can get the other 2. Hit it. Ah. All right, you ready, Daniel? Yeah. All right, get the other 2. All right. All right, this is Caleb. He's gonna roll it and see what he can do. You ready? Hit it. Oh, got one. All right, can you get it again? Hit it. Ah, got one.